gonna go over the woodpecker. Okay, so to start off with, let's get the foot position correct. So your right foot forward, your left foot back. You want to line up your pinky toe with the back of the heel in the back foot so it's parallel to your mat, which causes internal rotation of the back leg. So you want to go up on the toe, square your hips to the center of the mat, to the front of the mat, open up the shoulders nice and wide. So you want to squeeze your feet together if you can to anchor your hips, because we're going to be pulling straight up to decompress the spine. So we're going to do a decompression breath first. Press down through the front heel, pinkies on your hips, thumbs at the bottom of your rib cage. Inhale the chest up. Keep the chest up as you exhale. Pull the chin back. From here, take the arms straight up, fingertips together, pull the hands away from the hips. So, squeezing the feet towards one another actually anchors your hips, and it will engage the adductors on the inside of the legs. From here, we're going to take the hips back. Take the hips back far enough so you feel the hamstring, the front leg engage. There it is. All right, pull the hands away from the hips. So you've got a line all the way from your heel all the way up into the top of your fingertips. Reach it away. Press down through the front heel. You should have about 90% of your weight on the front heel. So we're just going to go up and down with the back heel. Nice and slow. Keep it up at the top. Toes in the front, up on the top. Bring the arms down in front of the chest. Open up the shoulders nice and wide. Make sure the hips are back. Pull the chin back. We're going to take it over to the right for 5 times, about 6 inches over to the right, and back to center. Over to the right, back to center. 3 more. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Bring the hands back to center. Squeeze the feet towards one another. Make sure the hips are going back. Take it over to the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Take it back to center. Arms up. Take the chest straight up. Reach up towards the sky. Take it over to the right. Back to center and down. Good. Let's go to the other side. I wouldn't want you to be out of balance. So left foot forward, right foot back. First thing you want to do, line up the heel with the pinky toe on the back foot. Front foot's going forward. Up on the toes, square your hips. Open up the shoulders nice and wide. Inhale a big breath up. Keep the chest up there as you exhale. Take the arms straight up. Nice strong arms. Squeeze the feet towards one another. Anchor the hips. Take the hips back. Feel that front hamstring engage. Press down through the front heel. We're going to go up and down with the back. Nice and slow. Stretch it out. Keep it up at the top, arms down in front. Open up the shoulders, bring the chin back. Hips back, take it over to the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, back to center, over to the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to center. Arms up. Reach it up there. Squeeze the feet towards one another. Take the chest straight up. Over to the left. Reach the hands away from the hips. Back to center.